All right, come on in this kitchen. Let's get dinner done. I want to give you a kitchen hack that I use. As you can see, I put my seasoning in the pan. I didn't sprinkle it all over the ribs because I don't want it all over my board. I certainly don't want it all over my counter. I don't want that kind of cleanup. Plus, I don't want to waste any of the goodness. So I'm going to create my rub, actually my marinade in the pan. I put down some brown sugar bourbon seasoning. I get right off the shelf. And as you can see, I added the mustard. Why? Because mustard is very simply vinegar, a little water, some turmeric, some paprika, okay? And those are the things that you should have in your cabinet, but they're right there in your mustard. Then I added a little oil because I wanted to coat my ribs while they're marinating in the fridge. I leave them in the fridge for a couple hours, preferably overnight. Didn't have that kind of time. Got to get dinner. In fact, dinner is done. I'm going to finish this video. We get ready to have us some ribs. I already cooked this. This is one of those after videos. But I did the same thing on top. I added a little bit more, and I just let it dry. Come on in this kitchen. Let's get this dinner started. Notice I didn't say done because this is going in the slow cook. I almost fainted at the price of oxtails, but I wanted them, so I bought them. You already know I hit them off with my seasoning, my mustard, and my oil. Let that marinate while I went ahead and started cutting up my vegetables, which was some onions, some potatoes, and tomatoes. Now, my vegetables, I left them cut up large. I then took my tomatoes because I don't like the skin of tomatoes in my food. So once I finished the potatoes, I blanched and peeled the tomatoes. They then went in a blender. I then took all my vegetables, laid those in, and then I put in the oxtails. Now, you know what goes in stays in. So watch me get all my seasoning out that bowl, and I'll come back and tell y'all how it tastes. Okay, so this is that moment you're hungry, but you forget you got a pot. And your slow cooker it's got some oxtails in there. How did I forget? Y'all, I'm about to go in. I'm going in.